We on the grind, no sleep, endless mission. Crypto waves, no tide, just decisions. Ride or die with the block's ambition. Let's make this money, profits rain like monsoon. Bull or bear, we adapt, typhoon. While it's packed, no room, full bloom. Path to riches, straight shot, no detour too soon. Trading is only as difficult as you make it. Rise, fall, rise again, never fake it. Cold wallets, private keys, gotta break it. Crypto life on the edge, let's shake it.
That's right, guys, let's shake it up. Let's shake it up. Let's do some high leverage or some leverage, whatever y'all pick. We have some leverage on the screen and some leverage. So let's go 87x, 71x, or 23x. Let's see what we can do in 3, 2, and 1. All right, good stuff, guys. Good stuff. So I already got into a leverage trade, and I'm down. I'm down. I think it's going to come down, but we'll see. Right now, the crypto markets on the hourly, not too good. You know, they're retracing, and this is what we were expecting. This is one thing that, of course, I notified my VIP group. And also YouTube. I notified YouTube, just letting you know, hey, you know, the prices went up. I would not recommend getting in right now for a long anyway, or a spot trade. Wait for it to retrace. Retrace about 38 to 50% from the run up. And then you can enter the trade if you want to try to front run it, or possibly once it breaks the high. Hey, we got Melissa. What's going on, Melissa? So happy you're here. So happy you're here. And Melissa's first. Melissa is first. So happy you're here, Melissa. Thank you so much for being here. We're going to see if I get wrecked. We are going to see if I get wrecked. The goal is not to get wrecked, but we'll just see if we are. Let's go. And the reason I want this to be a short, just to kind of see what we're looking at. This is Ethereum. There's Ethereum on the 1 hour time frame. Of course, we've had a few fake outs, and I do expect it to come up. This I do expect. Of course, you know, I went in a long here, rolled it all the way up. I believe it was like, man, it went all the way up to like 130%. But I was hoping that we're going to get a bounce here to continue up. And of course, during the live stream earlier, I was like, because, you know, it's getting kind of weak, we might come down here. So I closed out my long, and not at 100 and something percent. I think it was around 80 something percent, which is good. And now it's coming down. And since it's coming down, it's like, all right, let's go ahead and see if we can capitalize as it's coming down. It could bounce to the 382, or it could bounce. Let me see if I can move this over. Or it could bounce right around the 0.5, which is around 2,700. So we're going to see. Right now, let's go to a 15-minute time frame. It's not looking good for my shorts, and I don't want to lose more than $1. Now, right here, now, when it comes to what I'm doing, this is a challenge. It's a challenge using high leverage. Now, of course, you really make more money with low leverage. You really do. But this one, I've been trading more along the lines of around 87x leverage, which is extremely difficult. We took our $10 account to $25, then to 35, then back down to 10. Then we ended up going to 40, then back to 10. Then we went up to 50, then 35. And then I did very low leverage, 18x on Ethereum, which we did really well on, 18x on BNB, which we're still in, and a 30x on Bitcoin. Now those, I'll check on those in just a little bit, but I did enter Ethereum, and what I'm looking for is I'm looking for rejection all around this area. This is what I'm looking for, rejection all around this area to see if potentially we come down. Now this white line, this is not a trend line, this is just my arrow saying that hopefully we'll come down. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see. And my stop loss, I would really love to have it up here, but I think it's gonna be too far away. This will put me at about $1.20, $1.50, maybe $2. And I only want to risk $1. And it looks like I'm gonna get stuck. So let's go ahead and let's bring this over. That way we can do this pretty fast. Okay, let's turn this one off. There we go. Right now I'm at down 62. I'm trying to see if we get rejected here. I really don't want it to come across or break above. For my other ones, Bitcoin long, I'm up 1%. This one's really not even moving. BNB, I'm up 29%. I was up, I think, as much as 35%, probably 38, and then it's come down a little bit. That's okay. So right now I'm looking for a rejection. Now let's get rejected. Let's get rejected. Now, if you have any coins that you want me to look at, if you have any coins or you have any questions, let me know. But right now it's doing leverage trading, and only the leverage trading part is pretty difficult because, like, to keep you in a chain, just because, well, it's literally like watching paint dry. It really is. So right now I'm hoping, praying, got candles all lit around the house for a short on Ethereum. And long term though, I do want it to go up. But right now I'm expecting a retrace, so we'll see. We'll see if we get it. Right now we're still in the negative. We were negative, what, 20%? Now we're negative 6. We'll see. We shall see what happens. Let's see here. And then more than likely, we'll just do this for about an hour, depending if we have people jumping in, people asking questions. Now, I would prefer not answering leverage questions, not on this channel, just because we have a lot of newer people in here. But right now we're just having some fun, poking the market with the stick. Let's see here. Yes, definitely smash the like button. Smash the like button. Joe is more consistent than Tom Brady. That's funny. Yeah, but right now it's very high leverage, you know, and with this one, this is a challenge. This is a challenge. It's really, it's a high leverage account. And we started with $10, went to $25 in 2 days, which you might think, $25, that's nothing. We went from $10 to $25. That's, I mean, just imagine if it was 1,000 or 10,000 or whatever it is. Now I'm trading this account very high leverage. We went from $10, 25 to 35, down to 10, then to 40, then to 10, then to 50, then to 35, and now we're kind of here. Yesterday, I was trying to trade BNB high leverage, like 80 something percent, and there was some that I was winning, some that I was losing, and then I, was doing other things, and I look back, it's like, oh man, like if I would have just had lower leverage, I would have killed it. So I said, all right, well, let me do 18x leverage. So yesterday we did 18x leverage on BNB. We're up 30%, 29%. And Bitcoin, we just entered that one earlier today. That one's a 30x leverage just because Bitcoin doesn't move too much. And then we had ETH at an 18x leverage. And all in all, I think we got like 87% out of it, which is pretty good. And now we're trading Ethereum. Very low leverage, very little money. So even though it's only $4 that I'm trading, it's as if I'm trading $357. So this is what we're looking at. Now, whenever you're trading, the main thing is, your risk. I really don't want to risk more than $1 on this trade. And we'll see what happens. We did get rejected off of my blue line, which is my VWAP, and also my orange line, which is my 30 SMA. Why 30? That's what I use for my leverage trades. I use my 9, which is my white line, my 30, which is the orange line, and then of course my blue line is my VWAP. These are what I use now. I don't strictly just use this. I'm also using this. This is my 1 hour time frame. We are expecting this to go long, but I'm looking at a retracement, hopefully to the 0.5 level, right around 2,700 before going up. We could just come down here barely to the 38% level on the fib retracement from this pool to this pool. And if it is the 38% level, we're looking at around 27, 29. So we'll see. We shall see what happens. But right now we're just poking the market with the stick. That's all we're doing. Poking the market with the stick. Let's go to a 5 minute time frame. on the 5-minute time frame. Looking at this. Now, if y'all have any questions, let me know. If you have any, once again, try not to ask questions on leverage though, because I know this is more of a beginner channel, and can you get wrecked on leverage? 100%. Very experienced traders get wrecked with leverage. Very experienced traders. So just to let you know, let me go ahead and get rid of this. I don't want that. Get rid of that. And let's come over here back to our trade. There we go. Hey, we're in the positive. We're in the positive. All right. Good stuff. Good stuff. Let's see here. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, issues, let me know. And then we're gonna do a trade. We're gonna do a trade. I want to see the. So right now, no one's doing 87x leverage. That's funny. So what leverage should I use to trade with? We're gonna enter a trade. It can be in. Oh no, it can be one that I'm already in, but it can be any coin. You let me know the coin you want me to trade, but make sure to put it in the comments. Trade whatever coin, and then we'll look at it, and then we'll see the leverage that y'all vote on. So y'all are safe. We have 0% right now for 87x leverage, 25% say 71x leverage, 50% say 23x leverage, and 25% say 7x. Y'all are really safe. Man, I figured, hey, yeah, let's wreck them. Let's wreck them. So right now we're looking, I really don't. So now we created this level right here. So if we break above this level, it'll put us above our VWAP. That's not good. Not for what I want. So more than likely we'll close out the trade. But we're looking for it to continue. Here's our high. Well, we come over here. Here's our high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and it's breaking our lows. We have our low, broke the low. We have our low here, broke the low. Now I'm looking for this break of the low to continue this a very crazy trade, 87x leverage. Melissa says, I say 7x. 7x is very safe. Yeah, 7x. I love trading 7x, 5x. Anything over 7, it's I mean, because you're amplifying, you're magnifying your risk. Same with your reward, you're magnifying it too, but you're magnifying your risk. And like I said, all this up and down that I've been doing from $10 all the way to $50, it's been with very high leverage. So I win and then I lose. So I'll win $3 or $4, and you may think $3 or $4, that's nothing. But just imagine if this is a larger account. Right now, I'm just showing you that you can take $10 and build it to 100, and then so on and so forth. However, I'm doing this fast as opposed to just trading with an 18x or a 7x. Like, you can literally turn $10 into 100. I want to say maybe that should be my next challenge. I want to say in at least 2 weeks, a week more than likely, but just to do it, like, we'll say 2 weeks, and it can be done. You know, you put a trade, low leverage, 7x, maybe 15, and then all these ups and downs, you're not really worried about it. But for me, since I have 87x leverage, every single move I'm looking at. You know, if it breaks this level, oh, nope, I'm closing it. And then if it comes down, like, ah, crap, I got to reopen it. And then now I lost 30 cents or 50 cents or $1, whatever it is. So it's like killing my account. And then comes down, and then I re-enter, and then now it's looking good. So now I make $1, but then I lost 50 cents. So I only really made 50 cents. See, I made 70 bucks shorting peanut today. Hey, look at you. Very nice. That's really good. Yeah, peanut, oof, it wasn't looking good. Wasn't looking good. What leverage did you use? I should have stayed in the penguin shorts. Yeah, most of these coins, man, it's really rough. It is really rough. but hopefully we can make this. Hopefully we make it happen. And like I said, sometimes people will look at the amount, they're like, oh, that's $10. This dude didn't know how to trade. That's not the point. The point is taking it from $10 to 25 to 35. But again, I'll let y'all know, you know, it got $10 again, then 40, then 10, then 50, then 35, then, but that's because I'm trading high leverage. It's 87. That's what I've been doing, 87, just pretty much this whole time, with the exception of yesterday. Yesterday was a little bit safer just because I was trying to catch the bounce. And even when I was trying to do higher leverage, it was just too much ups and downs. Too much. Let's see here. Let's see here. I thought you were right. It just went way up. It's gonna pull back. No, I think so. So right now, and this is what we expect. We expect ups and downs. Ups, and then hopefully, man, I'd be so happy if it makes a lower high than this. If it does come up this high and then break this, and then now it's like, all right, let's go. Let's go. So we'll see. Right now, we are in the positive. We are in the positive. See here. I did $5 on 100x. Are you kidding me? 100x? I layered in, okay. That's what you want to do. You want to layer in. You don't want to put that whole $5 in. You put that whole $5 in, just one little boop, and you just lost $5. As opposed to like $1 or 75 cents. And then if it comes up, you put another $1. And so what I always do is I always double. So like here, I put, wherever I entered at, I forget where I entered, but I had $2, and then I had a higher one up here at around, I normally do $4, but then I don't want to lose too much. And this is like a lot. So plus I was trying to see if I can get y'all to vote. we got somebody saying 87x leverage. Nice. That's crazy. Set a stop loss at entry. Yeah, so whenever this comes down and I'm in profit, then I put my stop loss. But right now I'm just watching it. And if it breaks above this level, then I have to close it. Hope it doesn't though. We'll see. It went down slowly at first and then drop really fast after the big drop. Hey, we got stress relief in the house. What's up, stress relief? $5, 100x is a W. No doubt. I mean, that's great. I've never done have I done 100x? I think I did it once and it lasted like 4 seconds, like if that long. I was like, oh, what happened? I was like, I see everybody else doing 100, but yeah. But I think the most I've done was like 91, but right now I've been doing 87 and just playing around, you know, very little money, playing around. And as I mentioned before, took a $10 account to $25, then back to 10, then $35, then back to 10, then $40, then back down, and then $50. 50 was the max. It was like 52. And then we brought it down to 35. And then yesterday I did some low leverage, so like 18x leverage on Ethereum. Got around 87% on that. And BNB, we're at 25%. And then did 30x on Bitcoin because they move slower. And right now it's just whatever. Not doing too much. But we're looking for Ethereum to come down. But eventually, I do want Ethereum to go up. So this is this right here. We have 23, man. 23 is winning right now. 23x. So we'll give it about 5 more minutes for more people to vote. And then from there, we'll pick a coin. It can be any coin. Doesn't matter. Any coin. But now here, I was kind of worried that we're going to bounce because in my bounce zone. Kind of worried that we're going to bounce. But I really want to see this on the 1 hour time frame. I would really love to see it pull back past the 382, past around 2700, and come down here to my 0.5, which is right around 2,700, which would put us hopefully, you know, around a 200 SMA, which is the yellow. So we'll see. Go back to about 5 minutes. We're zooming in on this. So we'll give it about 5 more minutes for the people to vote. Hopefully more people can come in, and then we will see what happens and what coin we're going to do and what leverage. So right now voting has 87x leverage. Only 8% have voted for that one. I would think that everybody would vote for that. Yo, get wrecked. We have 23% of y'all voted for 71x leverage. 38%, an overwhelming amount, at 23x leverage, and then 31 at a 7x leverage. So we'll see. We shall see. All right. So right now we're in the positive, which is good. We're in the positive. And right now what I'm looking for is a break of this. Come on, break it. Break it, break it. All right, so let's go with the chats. See here. Kelly says, I started with like $1, then added more when I had a stop loss. Very nice. I got the idea to short peanut from Joe during the stream. Very nice. Glad it worked out for you. Very happy for that. Stress Relief says, what's your opinion on meme season? Making a comeback in March. It's possible. Anything's possible. You know, memes are really ruining the space, but we have made a lot of money on memes. I think memes will come back. And once memes come back, of course, the AI memes will come back even harder. We have so many coins that are AI. Oh man, what's virtuals? I was actually looking at trade virtuals. Virtuals is down so much. I think virtuals is going to come back with a vengeance. Virtuals and AI16Z. I think both of those are going to come back with a vengeance. And then, of course, all these other coins that really have purpose, like Link and Tau, and all these other coins, I think they're going to come back. Come back strong. Come back strong. All right, so let's go ahead and end the poll in 10 seconds. I'm not going to do a countdown of 10. 5 seconds. If you haven't voted, go ahead and vote. Right now, the 23X is in the lead. I'm really surprised y'all didn't do 87X. I really thought y'all were going to try to wreck me. I would have. Oh, you want to do 87? We'll do 87. See here. Melissa says, I'm over memes. I haven't made anything on them. Ugh. Yeah, sometimes we get into them too late, and that's just the facts. Holy smokes. Hey, how come my alarm didn't go off? Normally I hear, oh, it's a super chat, that's right. Oh, we got Alexandra G, best mod in the house. Thank you so much for the super chat. Greatly appreciate you. It's not a super chat, it's a super sticker. That's what it is. Thank you so much. It really does help support the channel, especially when I do crazy stuff like this. See, Melissa says, there was a really sad story on Twitter. Really? About what? I don't think I heard it. See, I don't even want to mention it, but something bad happened. Oh. Give us a hint. Because I don't know what you're talking about. I haven't messed with memes since Mustard. Yeah, memes, they're really taking money. They're really taking money out of the space. Out of the regular, I mean, it's okay to have memes. I get it. You know, you have a meme or two, great. But millions upon millions upon millions, like, come on. And then all these rug pulls, like, it wouldn't be so bad if they weren't all, like, 99% all rugs. Oh, man, I hate it. See. Yeah, memes are crazy down. Going to the wrong ones at the wrong times. It's the train. Yeah. RWA, utility coins, yeah. Yeah, I think they're all going to do well. You know, we're going to have an amazing season. Of course, earlier today when I had my stream, I stream every day. I stream every day, Monday to Friday. It's at, I should put this thing up here. Let me see, I don't think I have it up here. Let me go ahead and add it really quick. So let's go to images while we're waiting for this. Let's see here. Time, streams. Okay, let's go to browse, YouTube. And then start thinking of coins you want me to do a short on. I mean, a trade on. I don't know if I'm going to short or long yet. But we're going to have the decision in just a moment when it comes to... yeah. So we go. Joe, that's too big. So I go live Monday to Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday and Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then, of course, I do bonus streams. I've been doing a lot of 12 a.m., so I get the other side of the world. But right now I saw Ethereum, and I was like, man, I'm going to short this bad boy. And this is what I do, is live stream about it. But I normally go, the extra bonus ones I do is normally 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Well, we'll see. But this one, it will take up that time slot. So I'm not gonna do that. Let's see, so make sure you have a notification bell on. So let's go show transition to fade. Find transition to fade. Get out of here. All right. So right now we were up and now it's coming up, and I expect it to come up. Hopefully it gets rejected right around this 30 SMA area, which would be right around these wicks, and then continue coming down, now breaking this level and then breaking this level. So when it comes down, if it comes down, like, I don't know, it could go all the way up. Hope it doesn't. But if it comes down, then it should potentially break this one and this one at the same time. Just go boop, boop, and then come down here. We'll see. We shall see. Oh yeah, so it's in the PO. So man, that's a pretty big lead right there. So of course we'll do that for you, and I believe it was 23x, and we'll confirm that in just a moment. Let's see here. Let me check chats. Seeing somebody say hello. 4 a.m. on here. Oh my. Man, you truly are. You say I'm a hard worker. Shoot, I ain't got nothing on you. See, someone lost a lot in a meme, and oh, that's bad. See, but here's the thing though. Like, you should only trade with money you can afford to lose. And everybody says that, but it's so true. Like, let's say I only had $100. That's it. And I go and I trade it and I lose it. Like, should I be mad at the person who told me about the coin or the exchange? Or no, it's like, you're the one who did it. You're the one who bought that lottery ticket. And there's a lot of people that get depressed and everything else. It's like, this is an investment. And especially if you do it in a right coin, which is not a meme, like, the chance of you making money is much greater than a meme coin. A meme coin is literally like a scratch off. Hopefully you get your money back. Hopefully you make something, but there's that really high possibility of you losing. It's like a scratch off, you know? But people don't see that. Like, oh, I'm gonna put $1,000 in and I'll make, my friend made 100,000. I'm gonna do the same thing. No, you're not. He got lucky. Memes mess up the whole market. I agree completely. Good night, Alexander G. Thank you so much. Thank you for the super sticker. Appreciate you. See here, Stress Relief says, yeah, it's dead. It's not like back in the early, yeah. Very true. Very true. Hey, what's going on? First up, appreciate you. Appreciate you being here. A long time. Long time. Too many coins. Telling you. There are just way too many coins. It's ridiculous. Maybe should long OM mantra. It won't quit. Let's look at OM. So OM is in the running. OM. Any other suggestions for our, well, the one that won was the 23X. So this was the PO. So this was the PO. We had 40% said 23X, 33% said 7X, 20% wanted to get me wrecked, 6% wanted me to get super wrecked. So, well, we are going to do the 23X. We're going to do 23X, and we're going to look at OM. Ooh, GRT looks good. We were saying right here, it's bouncing right now. Man. And this is one thing I love, guys. I mean, you do this so much, you can kind of see what might happen. Doesn't mean that it will, just that it might. Price was right here. We're saying more than likely come down, bounce in this area, come up. If it breaks this level, like this, from here to here is only 6%. That's like, just put an entry here. But we entered here at 7 today. I love it. Let's see here. Let us look at OM. Any other coins? Let's see. Hopefully the Fed ends QT soon, I believe. And finally bottom on the. Yeah. I don't want to talk about OM. Uh-oh. My only 300X play, and I only had $5 on it. Hey, at least you had money on it. I didn't have any money on it. OM, USDT. Let's do .p because I'm gonna do futures. XC, oof. 4x or 4x, 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame. I don't like the price action. That's a whole bunch of wishy-washy. And then out of nowhere, boom, no reason, no higher highs, higher lows, nothing, just boom. Here, this is a huge gamble. Absolutely huge. Because here you say, oh, it looks like it's coming down. It's to, oh, let me get my ETH trade. Let's put this over here. It's large. Go back to this. It's here. Let's put this one. Oh, we can keep an eye on it. And there is really no reason why it pumps so hard. See here. I bought it when it launched on KuCoin in 2021. Nice. Not to sound sexist or anything, but girls, I like the color. The color was amazing. It had pink and purple. Melissa says, I like the logo and just wanted it in my portfolio. It was like OM symbol at the time. It was 1,500? What? That's funny. Yeah, then I put 500 or 1,000 and almost to 0. Yeah, I feel you. I feel you. All right, so looking at OM right now, man, I would think that it would come down to at least here. Let's do this magnet tool. Yeah, back to the golden pocket. This one is extreme. Oh my gosh, this is so high risk. So yeah, so that's good. We're doing a 20 3x leverage, 23x. So 23x leverage. And right now we're currently in a short on Ethereum. We're up 11%. So that's pretty good. Here we have this ridiculous run up for no reason. Let's put on our, so these are my cheat sheets. So once it broke here, I mean, we just missed it by like what, an hour or two? This would have been a perfect opportunity for the short, then continuation of the short, then rejection of this, which is awesome for our short, breaking of this, confirmation of our short coming up. So in order for me to go long, the very first step, one, it needs to break above this, the 382. But what I think might happen is I think it might do this. And then this is our decision point. Does it come up or does it come down? And we could actually enter this since it's such low leverage, because normally when I do high leverage, I gotta wait. But here, I mean, I can actually go. Because we're from here to here, 2%. And we're doing 23x leverage. So let's go ahead and hide this. We're at OM. So this is one that I was trading. We were doing crazy leverage on this one. And within minutes, boom, we would get it. So let's do OM. 23x leverage, 5-minute time frame. We're going to short. We're also going to have, I want to see what my stop loss would be up here. I think it's going to be too much. Copy. Shorts. Yeah, it's too much. It's 100-something%. Oh man, I'm afraid it's gonna come up. Well, maybe I can take a nibble at it. I think it's gonna go up before it comes down. $1. And that's 61%. Oh, what am I doing? Forgot 23. This changes everything. That changes everything. Let's see. I gotta put more money in. Okay, so I'll do it. Risking $1. Let's see. So in this show, I don't want to lose more than $5. In this show, I don't want to lose more than $5. But for here, I wouldn't be surprised if it comes to stop me out, just to come up here to continue down. But right now we're trying to kind of front run it. Very high risk. I'm gonna close it out. Oh, I want to close it out so bad. Yeah, I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna wait. So I just lost 50 cents. Let's see if it comes up here, and I would have lost $1. So let's see here. I'm gonna give me some water. So give me one moment. Where's my camera? One moment. All right, guys, I'm back. I'm back. Put the camera back on. Here we go. All right. So right now we're doing, so we initially opened a short on this one, but I closed it because I didn't like how it started looking. I would try to front run it, but we only lost 50 cents. Now, granted, this is not so much about the money. It's about the consistency of winning and the percentages. Now, I ended up closing it because I do think that it's going to come up. I do think it's going to, price was here. I do think it's going to come up to about here before coming down. And I saw it red. I was like, you know what? Let me just try to front run it. And now it started coming up. This is on a 5-minute time frame. Why is the other one different? It looks different. So I ended up closing it, losing 50 cents. And if I would have left it open and been stubborn and be like, no, I'm going to wait and see, boom, I would have lost double the amount. Now, granted, this is only very small money, but imagine if I was trading with $500 and, you know, I was willing to lose, I don't know, $20 or $50. Right now, I would have lost the whole 50 versus the 25 that I lost. So that's how we have to think about this. All right. All right, good stuff. Let me see who's in here, guys. Who is in here? Let me know. Let me know who is in here. But this one is very. Well, let's just look at this. Man, look at. I mean, no reason for this to pump. Absolutely no reason. And this one is just wishy-washy. Up, down, up, down, up. This is literally a scalper's dream. You know, breaks this level, you go long, hopefully it goes up, and it goes up, awesome. It doesn't break the level, broke this level, we close it. Then it comes up, it's like, oh man, we're probably gonna go to the moon, but then we get stopped here, and it comes down, breaks this level, okay, let's short. You know, we don't want to break this level. Then it goes and it comes up, almost breaks this level, good continuation, awesome. And then it comes, breaks this level, we close it. And then hopefully go long. Man, shoot, man, can you imagine catching something like that? Ooh, doggy. Ooh, doggy. Good thing for stop losses, right? And for closing it out. Ooh, doggy. See here. Our Ethereum short is doing nice. That one, we do have it as an 87x leverage. This one, I did it literally right before the show. Right before the show, did that. And we have our Bitcoin long down about 2%. We have our, which is a 30x leverage, and then our BNB. These were done yes. I don't remember if I did this one yesterday too. Possible. I don't remember. I trade so much. I don't even know if this is one from yesterday or not. Oh, it was. So 30x leverage hasn't even moved. And then BNB 18x leverage. Now this one, man, I was doing like 87x leverage and I was winning. And then the next one I would lose because it just has to move just a fraction of a percent. And because I have such high leverage, like I'm getting in and out, in and out, in and out. And then I was going long and I was going up and it started coming down. I closed it, made my profit. And then I started doing other things and started going up some more. And I look at it as like, man, I missed out on a huge percent. I was like, all right, let me go ahead and go lower leverage 18x. And I think this went all the way up to like 30 something percent. We'll see. It's going up. So I got to see if it's going to get rejected off of this. If so, man, I could try to front run it again. Let's see. So we already know I would have lost double the amount if I would have left it open. So now I'm going to get this. And this is just to tell me once it crosses this, definitely a short. If it breaks above this, definitely a long. That's pretty much how it goes. There's really no reason that it pumps so much. I would expect it to pull back. We'll see. We shall see. Man, I can't believe we've already streamed for an hour. Hey, we got Army Piper in the house. How come I don't see it here? Oh, it wasn't even updating. Good Lord. Army, what's up, buddy? Appreciate you, man, being here. Yeah, right now we're just playing. We're poking the market with a stick. And we already had a vote. It was very surprising. It was 87x leverage, 71x leverage, 23, I think. And then 7. And 23 won. But I'm already in an 87x leverage on Ethereum. So this is a very high leverage account that I'm trading. It's more of a test. That's really what it is. Started out with $10, put it all the way to $25 in 2 days, then took it back down to 10, then 35, then 10, then 40, then 50. I think 52 was the max that I did, and then back down to 35. But trading went 80 because all of them was 87x leverage. You win good and then you lose good. You know? And yesterday I was like, let me go ahead and just trade with a little bit less leverage. So I did 18x leverage on Ethereum, did 87%. And then right now we just shorted it, but that was on a long. And then BNB, 18x leverage from yesterday, 30x leverage for Bitcoin yesterday. Bitcoin's doing nothing though, way boring. But because it's such high leverage, like in my opinion, like you have to be on it. You have to. Because this could like wreck you really, really fast. And we've seen it too. Like I said, we went all the way from I think the last one was 40. We had $40 and then it went all the way down to 10. And you know, some people may say, oh, it's only $10. Just imagine if it was $100 or $1,000 or $10,000. Like this is how much it can fluctuate. And yesterday I was like, let me just do a little bit. Yeah, my chat wasn't updating. Let me catch up on the chat. Let's see here. Man, a lot. I was wondering, like, what happened to everybody? No one's saying, okay. But let's see here. Yeah. Good reminder how important mental health awareness is in the space. Big time. Yeah, for me, I've actually counseled. Well, I wouldn't say counseled. I've talked to 4 people. And this season, I haven't talked to anybody. But last season was like 4 people where, and I don't know if it's because they knew I was a nurse or if they just knew I was easy to talk to. But they're like, Joe, can I talk to you, man? Yeah. And they started telling me, I said, all right. I said, I got a question for you. That's what's that? I said, do you want me to listen or do you want me to give you advice? No, man, just listen. All right, cool. Listen. I was getting rejected for 30. But yeah, those 4 people last season. It's pretty rough. So here, yay, GRT. I got a bag of that. Yeah, that GRT looks, do I have it here? Looks nice. Getting that, we saw it here. We mentioned to, for an entry, of course, not financial advice, but we saw it here and we're saying more than likely bounce. Right now it's looking like it wants to. Like it hasn't bounced yet, but it's looking like it wants to. Back to OM. See here. See here, Piper says it's going to go to 863. 863. I concur. I concur. See here. I wonder if Soul will keep going down. Man, Soul is something else. Ooh, I want a short now. That's making me want to short. But Soul is something else. Like this is, with everything that happened yesterday, you would think that Soul would have just dumped, absolutely dumped. Really? That's it? Just this? I'm really worried about Soul. We're in a short on Soul, and I'm really worried about it. You know, it's looking too strong. Like I really wanted it to dump, and it hasn't. Let's see here. So they were talking about this earlier. I didn't say I was, but they're saying once I hit 5 subs, I'm gonna get a perm. That was so. I was laughing so hard, I had tears in my eyes. That was funny. See here, I need Soul to go up, up, up. I hear you. That's funny. See, how was PMB? What's PMB? Is that a ticker? Let's do PMB. I didn't want to short this though right now. Now wait 3 minutes. We'll see. See here. But Army, appreciate you, man, for being here. Not sure if you're still here, but appreciate you greatly. Appreciate all the love and support you and the alumni give to this channel. All you guys are the best. See here. PMB. Nope. That's nothing. Not sure what that was. See here. See here. Kelly says, I can't tell if that guy's C is legit. He uses the automatic chart patterns and talks about stuff I don't know about. If you don't know, you don't know. That's funny. Oh, my $5 is now $1,500. Dang. Oh, the piano guy. PNB is playing piano at Bar Friday, Saturday and Sunday nights. It's like a party. What's his, if you haven't already, but if you did, put it again, please. His link. I think I'm already subscribed to him. See here. There's a guy I used to watch that sings. He was on American Idol. Who's Got Talent? I think Who's Got Talent. He's a white dude, bald head, and amazing voice. And he plays the piano. And I always ask him to play Tool. Play Tool sober, man. Yo, it's like trade tuition. I already told you. This is like just me trolling. I'm like trade tuition, and I be tipping him too. Play Tool sober. Trade tuition. I already told you. I can play that song. I would always troll him. He's a good dude. The one I'm thinking of, he's a real cool dude. I don't think his name is Piano Matty, the one I'm talking about though. See here. Yeah, I like Frankie. Man, I like Frankie a lot. Like, I remember the first time I saw him, dude says a lot of stuff that I say. One, the very first thing that he said Like as soon as I start watching them, is nobody knows what the price is going to do. I mean, we can have an idea, we can have probabilities or whatever, but nobody knows. I was like, wait a minute, does this guy watch me? And then there's a lot of other stuff that he says that I agree with. Now, if I don't agree with stuff, that doesn't mean they're wrong. It just means I don't agree with them. And everybody has their own way of doing stuff. But in my life, it's funny. They always say, I always have to watch you on 2x slow speed. It's like, yeah, man, I talk a lot. I talk real fast, blah, blah, blah. It just keeps on going. Dude's cool, though. Let's see here. On the list. Here. See, he just got a YouTube channel for T8. And I really can't tell if his T8 is legit. Oh, wait. Automatic patterns. See here. He launched that meme coin Mandy that soared up like 10 million, then crashed. Yeah. So that really, man, I really want to short this one. Oh, the timer just finished. Okay, so let's go back to OM. We're doing 23x leverage. I'm gonna do my short right here, or my stop loss right here. It's still underneath this, but I don't want to risk too much. Copy. Stop loss. So I don't want to risk more than 50 cents. I think it's gonna make me risk $1 again though. Dang it, $2, really? This thing is trying to get me wrecked. I'll wait till it breaks my 9. He wants to get me wrecked. 23x leverage? Like, how much of a move is that? From here to here, 1%. How much of a short 23? Let's do this 23 too. That way I don't accidentally go lower. Hey, we got Al in the house. What's up, Al? Yeah, it wants to get me wrecked. Look at that. Look at that move right there. Would have taken out $2 if it hits it. So all I can lose on this show is $5. That's all I can lose. I don't want to lose $1, but my max is 5. See here, I sent you OM. It's kind of it's extremely unpredictable. Like this one is like crazy unpredictable. See, Army Piper says up, down, up, down, up, down. Put your candles in the air. That's fun. See here. Pull a fib from last high to low. Okay. Let's do last high. And I'm guessing you're saying the highest point. I don't like using the magnet tool in this because it sometimes doesn't get off. I'm trying to go short though. Because I think it's gonna go. I think it's gonna come down. So this is what I'm thinking about OM. Come on, just because we had a, I mean, look at this dump. I mean, pump out of nowhere for no reason. And this one just boop boop, up down, up down, up down, and then blast off, and then blast off, and then blast off. So this one's like extremely difficult, in my opinion. It's like, Joe, you're a rookie. I know. Let's see here. Somehow I found myself watching the lifer for a few minutes tonight, and an inverse traded him. He said XRP is the trade of the night after a huge pump. So I shorted it. Good for you. He was telling people to long the top. So this, yeah, right now we're trying to break this. Let me see here. Mr. Al in the house. What's up, my man? Lose those 5. and we'll lose the option for those Caesars. Yes. Like I said, guys, I got $14 in my bank account. Gotta make them count. Gotta make them count. I'm thinking about getting another. Let's see. Is there another coin y'all want me to try? This one, it's like this little bitty move, and not only that, but like it's when I'm trying to do the leverage, is making me lose like a lot. $1, and then this one was $2. Any other coins that we can do? I was looking at GRT gas. Oof, ouch, that looks ugly. Gas bug. IP. AI16Z. Ooh, we got stuff down on this bad boy. Was this? Oh no, I didn't post this one. This was something I was looking at. I was looking for it to come up, down, then break the level, then we can enter. Man, I'm glad we didn't post this one. See, GRT, or so let's try this one. Why do I have two of these? PENGU USDT.P C 1 hour. Okay, so in the 1 hour, it lost the blue line, which is our VWAP. It lost our 9, which is our whites, and losing our other levels. Go 15-minute. And under any normal circumstances, I'd say it's already too late, because it already passed my 9 up here. Would I have shorted? I wouldn't have shorted, because I'm thinking it's going to come here and bounce up the lowest and continue up, but it didn't. So I would have gotten wrecked on this. It's not too far away from that, maybe. Again, the 4 hour. I don't know. I should have said in the short. Oh, you're in the short on that one. Okay. Yeah, these meme coins, they're extremely risky. I mean, you're doing great on the short, but these meme coins are extremely risky because they can easily just pump like for no reason. Look at GRT. We're in a high, lower high. Looks like we're gonna break this level. 5 minute. Oh, and this one, it just broke these. It just broke them. Maybe. Oh, you should have stayed in the short. And these are really risky. Yeah, the volume's not great. That's for sure. OM. Man, what should have, could have, would have. Like just a little bit sooner. And that's the thing too. Like we have to be patient. That's the part that was like the hardest. Hey, we got all set. What's up, all set? Appreciate you, man, being here. I haven't looked at this one in a while. Man, is Bitcoin dumping? Yeah, Bitcoin's coming down. 4-hour time frame. $15-minute. Yeah, I started. Let's just short Bitcoin. Ooh, look at that. I would have lost $2. Let's do Bitcoin. The 5-minute time frame. A bunch of wicks, selling pressure in the 1 hour. $15-minute. Oh, I'm in Bitcoin. I can't short this one. I can close it though. Down 17 cents. $15-minute. So in the 15-minute time frame, we're underneath our 9 SMA. We're underneath our VWAP. In the 5-minute time frame, we're struggling. We're doing lower highs. All set says, save your entry, Joe. What are you doing? Save your entry on Bitcoin. I got my stop loss right here. It's for my long. I was thinking it was gonna move when I entered it. This was yesterday. It was on the bounce. Stick to the plan. Yeah, what I'm trying to do is just a trade right now. Oh, Ethereum. I forgot all about Ethereum. I'm just trying to look for a trade right now. Ethereum. Trying to short it. Still looking good. You know, as long as we don't cross above this, we're good. I completely forgot about Ethereum. It's still looking good for my short. I want to do at least one trade. But OM looks, man, OM looks really hard. I'm not sure why it pumped. I don't know if the FOMO was still there. I would like to see it get rejected here. And then I just do like a 200x leverage. Yeah. see, what should I do? What trade should I do? So Ethereum still looks good. Enter this one prior to the stream, like a few minutes prior. 87x leverage for a short. We're down 1%. Not bad. 87x leverage. We don't want it crossing this level. We're in Bitcoin long from yesterday. Is doing nothing. Absolutely nothing. 1 hour time frame. Selling pressure. I'm a stop loss. Thought I was gonna bounce. What is my stop loss? So here's the thing too, like I'll click on it and I gotta wait like 30 seconds. So take a water break. It's got about 5 more seconds before it loads up. I don't know why it does it. Been doing that now for 5-6 days. And it should be up any moment. There you go. So I would lose 6%. So less than $1. That'll work. I like that. I'll keep it. I'll keep that stop loss for there. Just in case we come up. Uh-oh. Man, that one looks ugly. I looked at it earlier. I mean, very volatile. Just whoop, wicks like crazy. But I want to get into it. I want to get into a trade though. This one's just crazy. Like no reason. I don't know why it went up. Let's see here. Yeah, 16Z. These are dangerous. IP. Link. Yeah, let me some link. Sol's not looking good on the daily. Not looking good at all. But I'm really surprised they didn't dump like really bad. GRT, fighting. OM, going up for what reason? I don't know. Well, I mean, we kind of thought it was going to go up from here to about here. So we just got to wait to see if it's going to pull back. Let's look at this one. So it broke this level. It looks like it wants to fight above that level. Looks like it wants to fight above it. 30, 15. Like if it's gonna get rejected, it's gonna get rejected right now. Like literally right now. Yeah, Pine went up. I was surprised too. I was really surprised. I thought it was gonna be dumped to like almost oblivion. And now it went. See, if Bitcoin pulls back, look for weak coins and short it. Yeah, 100%. Not financial advice. That's right. That's exactly right. I think it looks like it wants to go. Nice selling, nice buying pressure. This one I'm gonna see if it to get your a pullback. B&B still doing okay. Man, and you would think that this one wants to pull back or to you know, come back down. If it breaks above this, then the FOMO is still there and everybody's still gonna go and go along. But this is where I'm looking for a rejection. So this is literally my decision point. Which one was I gonna look at? Oh yeah, Pingu again. Harry Potter, Obama, Sonic, Pingu, Mighty Mouse. Like, that's the funniest name ever. And the one who created it, when he was on the stream with us, he said that it was basically like everything was kind of popular. He put it that way, it's searchable, which makes sense. It makes sense. Looks like a bounce. I feel like I'm forcing it right now. I mean, I knew I was gonna force it, but so this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking at a possible breaking out of this, or to see if we get like the chances of it coming down is much higher due to this was support, then support broke through, now possible bearish retest coming down. See, did you eat yet? Yes. Some rotisserie chicken. Yum yum. Lemon pepper. Any cool alerts kick off? I get alerts all the time, man. But all of them, I just gotta wait. More than likely, in the morning, early in the morning, I'll recharge them and see what we got. So see Phantom. Let's go Phantom. Let's look at some Phantom. Phantom. Okay, S. USDT. I'm not sure how to look it up. Sonic. It's not this one, right? Doubt it. I doubt it's that one. Looks like a long to me. I know this is not the one that you're looking at. This looks like a long to me. Copy. Okay, 60 cents. Let's go. Let's see. Let's see if we can play with this one. Yeah, this right here looks like a long to me. But then let's do a run up. We had a nice sell off, possible reversal. Granted, it's away from our 9 SMA. Let's see if we can come back up to it. And we do have bullish divergence possible. We have a low here, and this is higher. We have a low here. I'm not sure if you can see this. Yeah. And then this is lower. We have possible bullish divergence. We have it away from our 9 SMA, and hopefully it can come back up to it. Maybe get rejected off of the orange line, my 30 SMA. Pull back a little bit, come up to the VWAP, which should be down here now. Get rejected off of that, and then break through it, creating a lower high, and then we cash out. Sounds good to me. Sounds like a plan to me. Let's see here. We won't be disappointed if you don't take a trade, Joe. You gave all those setups in the afternoon. With this one, if I lose, it's just losing very little. Very little. And I like 60 cents. I can do that. Now, what I want to do, just for giggles, is just find a random one. Kind of like what we just did right now, but just a random one. Oh my gosh, this thing takes forever. So let's go to the change. Let's go what's making crazy money. So this one has a lot of people in it right now. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh. Say no. Come on. See what this one is. TST. And there's sometimes where we get lucky. Very volatile. No rhyme or reason why it went up. But this one too, I would do like a long, just to about here. But this is too risky too. Let's go J2. Oh yeah, let's show. Oh, we can't show them. So ETH them down. Did I get liquidated on that one? Oh no. Hey, I'm up. All right, good stuff. Cool. This one, get out of here. Come on. Oh, this one's a long all day. This one's a long all day. We'll do a short right or a thing right here. Copy. Long. Move this over. Oh, using $1. 60 cents. Okay, long. Let's go make sure we get the lowest part. 65 cents. Okay. So we're doing some extremely degen-ish plays. We have a gel. Oh, 2020. It should be. Oh, maybe that's the max I can do. Yeah, it's the max. So there's gel one. We're up. We just got in and we're up. And then the Sonic one, we're up too. Cool. So let's see when we can move up our stop loss, because that's the main key. Oh, it's coming down. Let's move up our stop loss. And these are just random ones. Don't know nothing about the coin. See that it came down. Looks like it might bounce. We get in. Max we can lose is like 60 cents on each one, I believe. And then hopefully we can move them up and profit in just a moment and go from there. But we'll see. So this account, we took it from it's a high leverage trading account. Today we're doing low leverage. Normally I trade with 87x leverage, and it's a challenge. It really is. So we started with $10 and went to $25 2 days later. Then we went to $10 and then $35, and then $40, and then $10, then $50, then $35, and then now we're here. So that's pretty much how it's been going. But the reason it's fluctuating so much from $40 back down to 10 is because we're trading with very high leverage. And that's the main reason. But if I were to trade like 18x leverage, man, like, and I want to do that as my next challenge. 18x leverage, turning $10 into 100. And more than likely I can do that in 2 weeks. But I mean, more than likely I can do it in 1 week, but we'll say 2 weeks just to be on the safe side. And the way you do that is just reducing your risk, like having that stop loss, you know, managing your risk big time. That's the biggest thing. Not getting into like these type of trades. These type of trades they're very super crazy high risk, high reward though too. Yeah. So down, it's been randomly pumping. Peak. Yeah, so that's the thing. And thank you guys so much for the likes. You guys are the best. So right now we're on Sonic. Sonic is up 6%. We have a gel stool. This one is, I wish they would stay in one place. Did I lose that one? Oh, it's right here. Ooh, I'm down 25%. Good Lord. How? Where? Am I in the right one? Down 25%. Am I looking? Is this updating? Oh, it's not updating. Oh, so I entered it here and then it just dumped. Okay, okay, I get it. I was like, what's going on here? I didn't understand. Let's see. To me, this one looks good. I think it's gonna go. And if not, well, then we get sucked out and move on. Yeah. We shall see. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go. So this one, this gel stool, like this one just takes a little bit. Like we can make a killing off of this one if it reaches up here. Like this one, I think we can make a killing off of. This Sonic one. Let's say from where we entered to here, about 1%, 2%, okay. 3%, okay. I'm liking that. This one from where we entered, first thing is way up here. Dude, I'm telling you, this one's gonna be the banger if we get it. If we get it. What I would like to do is put a lower entry here just in case. But then if it comes down and hits it and then gets us stopped out, then that's the end of the game. You know, because that would be like $2 that we lose. And I just want to lose 5. I mean, I don't want to lose 5, but that's what I'm prepared to lose. Sonic, doing good. So what are the other ones doing? So gel still down. B&B still up. B&B is doing pretty good. I think it was down to like 20% earlier, 22%. Now it's up to 27. That'll work. ETH, we're not killing it anymore. Oh my gosh. Dang it, I completely forgot about ETH. Dang it, I was afraid that was going to happen. Man, bullish, bullish, bullish. I was afraid that was going to happen. I kept on trying to tell myself, make sure put that stop loss. Well, it would have hit my stop loss right here. So I would have been stopped out. Man. Yeah, I gotta flash close it. Dang it. I give it like, can I wait for that? It looks bullish as heck right now. So let's look at it over here. Ethereum. Yeah. And I was afraid of that. The bounce in this area. Crap, I completely forgot I was in that coin. Is it going to get rejected? So now I'm thinking, is it going to get rejected right here? That's rough. That is rough. Yeah, I'm gonna have to close it. It's looking bullish. Even though we're right at that resistance zone. If it flashes green, I'm closing it. If it comes down and doesn't flash green in the next, let's say 30 seconds, then I'll wait on it. Man, I can't believe I forgot to put the stop loss in this. I'm glad I saw it right now though. In 10 seconds of red. Come on, come down, come down. Now I can put my stop loss. I can't believe I forgot. So I'm gonna oh man. I was trying to get it at 75 cents. But as soon as it turns green, I'm closing it. I was gonna close it at negative 75 cents. It's coming down. Yeah, it's fighting. Yeah, close it. So I just closed it. Oh man. And then what I like doing is I like doing Alt J where I close it at. That way I can know if it was a good decision. Like if it goes up, it's like, okay, I'm glad I closed it. And then if it comes down, it's like, oh man, woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. But I mean, right now it looks bullish. It looks too bullish. This came up, this is curving up, it's above this. But this is where I would have had my stop loss anyway, which would have been right at $1. So I'm not too upset with that. Not too upset. Man. Oh, we're gonna accept. Oh man, I guess the show's ending because we're gonna start losing all of them. Oh man, this one was going good too. Can this one be our saving grace? Man, I thought this other one was gonna do it though. I thought this one was gonna do it. Oh wait, my plan. So I want to do 50 cents. We'll do 20 cents. Gonna do 20, 30, 20 cents. I'm only 27 cents. 50 cents. Let's try it. So long. So right here, I'm down 63%. Now I'm only down 40%. So I went from negative 63% to negative 40% with this little entry that I put. This was part of my plan. I was hoping it could come down here because of this huge run up. And if I get stopped out with it, I just increase the loss. And right now, hopefully it bounces over this 30 SMA. If not, then I get stopped out. And that will be the show. But I'm not too upset. No, good that. Good. That's good. I'm happy with that. I'm really happy with the decision. Sorry. We'll go long on ETH. Ooh, yeah. That's good. Oh, did I miss it? Hopefully it comes back down to it. But this looks bullish though. All this right here. I was really hoping it was going to get rejected here and then come down. Come on, just take it. Take it already. Get it. Get it. Yeah, we got Wick in the house. What's up, Wick? Appreciate you being here. All right, so we're in. Good. We're in on this one. Very little loss that we do lose out on this one. This one, is it turning green on us? It's turning green. We were negative 60, but since we added here, we were negative 40. And let's go. Let's see if it pumps. So BNB is my only green one. Oh no, we have Sonic. Here, Wix Y 589. Appreciate you guys being here. Thank you for smashing the likes. You guys are the best. You're the best. Let's see here. Kelly says, I mean, I closed my short. Nice. Come on, let's go green. Let's go green. See, ETH. Okay, we're in. Bitcoin being boring. Being very boring, but green right now, which is good. This one, we're starting to come up. Good. This one, I'm hoping this one gives us like a banger. Let's go. We're looking at, what are we looking at over here? Of course it erased. But we're looking at possibly 10%. So that'd be 200%. Oh, let's go. Let's go. That'd be nice. That'd be really, really nice. See if we can do it. So Sonic's doing some work now. We're looking for 3%, so that'd be about 60%. So that's good. Oh, I barely have anything in this one though. That's okay. So we can make $1 out of it. Don't want to see that. We'll see. We shall see. And I got stop losses on that one and this one. So we're good as far as stop losses go. Got stop losses on these two. So we're good on stop losses. That'll work. Yeah, I was debating. I was like, should I go out tonight? If I go out, y'all know me, I got my $14 to my name. Should I go out? If I do, I will spend all of my $14 and then I gotta pick up cans on the way home. I don't want to do that again. Not in this dark weather, everything. No. So, all right. Well, I will stay home. I will stay home and play the game of chance. Well, let's go. Let's go. Let's see here. So the Wicks, did y'all go out tonight? Did y'all go have some fun? Enjoy your Saturday. If it's Saturday, wherever you're at. I think you're in the States. Pretty sure of it. I was this close. Bang. Let's go. And I was like, I called up my bank account. My bank account laughed at me. They're like, ha, 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 ha. You need at least $20 to make a withdrawal. I was like, come on, man. You always say that. $14. It's rough, guys. 14. Rough. Very rough. See here. All Set says, I got a pounding headache. Stayed in too. Hey, there you go. You save money. Man, you save a lot of money. Shoot, man. When I used to go out, I thought I was a rock star. Too much. Fun though. It's a lot of fun. Man, I'm gonna get wrecked. Don't wreck me, Argentina. Don't wreck me, Argentina. So, where is this one? Oh, it's way up here. Down 30%. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go to the moon. Let's go to the moon. So you know what? Let's get crazy. Oh, I don't have any money in there. We can't get crazy. 1 cent. I was gonna add whatever I had. Oh. Can't do it. See here. See, also it says, Joe, are you serious? Or are you just pulling my arm? Serious about what? I always need the who, what, where, when, why. One day, y'all will understand. One day. Here. Melissa says, I have no life. Hey, having no life is very, very cost effective. Man. Having no life is so cost effective. Because 1, you're not having to buy an outfit. 2, you're not having to buy, more makeup. 3, you're not having to buy or put gas in the car because you're going to go somewhere, or get an Uber. That's always safest, Uber. You're not having to, buy expensive drinks or meals or anything like that. But it's the environment though. I mean, it's fun doing it. But I mean, you're saving all that time, money, energy. And then let's say you get a little bit too crazy and then you got to suffer the consequences after that, headaches and everything else. Like, who's this? That type of stuff. So it's good. It's good to have no life, in my opinion. Ramen Perm haircut, 5,000 subscribers. Love you guys. That is funny. Love you guys. Yeah, I used to spend way too much money. It's fun though. Joe, look at that. Y'all are starting to spread rumors now. Y'all are funny. Joe's gonna get a perm when he hits 5,000. You guys talking about going out to the bar? LOL. I'm 39 now, and I quit going to the bar. It's man, it is so much. 1, safer. 2, especially for females. Y'all get roofied and everything. That's crazy. That's scary, man. That's scary. But yeah, it's like you can still go, I guess, but just the amount of money. I mean, you can spend some money, and of course you start feeling good, start buying stuff, and it's too much. Al says, when we waste money at clubs and bars, we are those business owners exit liquidity. Yep. Exactly. Hands down. Hands down. Let's go, gel stool. Let's go. See here. Nice analogy. I concur. Melissa, I'm more into saving money lately and less into spending. Helps when you have saving goals. Yeah, that's true. Like if you don't have any goals, well, you can't work for anything. You just do whatever. Like for me, like my goal was just to have fun. Tomorrow is never promised. And well, guess what? Today is tomorrow. Yeah, wrap your brain around that. I was like, where did all my money go? I could have sworn I could withdraw. It's like, nope, got 14. I was like, man, how am I supposed to get my perm? Oh, how am I supposed to get my perm if I only got $14? I like ramen, to be honest. Me too. I do too. So you and Road Dog, perms together. That would be funny. That would be funny. Quick Swat 589 says, Joe, yeah, it's hard being a lady going out. Yep. And everybody goes up to you. You gotta trust the group. Yep. Very true. Very true. Hey, look at that. We got a super chat. Super sticker. Thank you, Wix 589. Appreciate you. You're the best. You're the best. Appreciate you greatly. Yeah, it's really scary. And especially if you go by yourself. You go by yourself, man, you have. There was a female that I knew. She was my boss's assistant, a very attractive lady. So I go and, you know, she recognized me and she says hi, whatever. And I say hi, you know, I talked to her and I've worked with her before, whatever. And so, you know, I'm talking with her and everything and joking around and making laughs, whatever. And I'm going, I'm doing my thing. I'm going for all the stuff that I do. And then towards the end of the night, well, there's these two guys just all over her. And you can tell she's very uncomfortable. And I go over there and I put my arm around her. I say, hey, you ready to go? She said, oh, yeah, I'm ready. I said, all right, let's go. And so those dudes are like, oh, like, I guess that's her dude. But yeah, it's real dangerous. That's crazy. Let's see here. I love ramen. Add veggies, yeah. And an egg, I love. Oh man, I put some egg in that, man. I put like 18,000 eggs in there. Eggs are so expensive. It's funny. I'm putting the egg. I love eggs. A lot of protein. And I have 3 cartons of eggs. I know, man. That's more than $14. That's $9, 9 something over here where I'm at. So I have 3 of them, and you would literally think that it was more valuable than a baby that I didn't want to drop. Because can you imagine that? You slip and 3 dozen eggs fall? Man, you better believe I'd be picking that stuff up and making an omelet right there. Man, I would use all that stuff. Can't lose them eggs. Oh my God, I was I'm not gonna lie, I was scared. I was like, please, refrigerator door, don't, you know, bump into me, or don't, none of the racks fall, you know, just nothing, none of that's gonna happen. But I had so much money in my hands. It was ridiculous. That was today. I was scared. Perm for 5K. Oh, yeah. Melissa says, I lived in Las Vegas and worked in bars for years. I'm good on bars for a lifetime. Yeah. Yeah, you've seen it all. You've heard it all. Let's see here. Also, it says FOMO at the top of XRP. Hey, let's look at XRP. Let us look at XRP. Let's see what that jokester was talking about. Let us see what that jokester. Ooh, look at that coming up. FOMO City, guys. Oh, nice rejection. Very nice rejection. So this one would be nice for a short. OM, nice for a long. Possible. We don't know. Let's look at XRP USDT. Let's see what that jokester was saying. Let's go to a 1 hour. Let's hide all of our stuff. So he was saying to buy up here. If he was saying to buy here, it's not a bad entry. Even though as much as I don't like the dude, it's not a bad entry. Because with this drop and then it coming up, entering here is okay. We would expect it, if it was going to break this level, to come down and take this liquidity. So maybe a little bit lower to about here. Not a bad call. Even though I don't like them. maybe even down to here. Do pull back. Not bad. Let's see here. Then we got Wick Swat 589. Thank you so much for the super sticker. You're the best. Thank you so much. You know what would be really funny? And this is just me thinking out loud. It'd be really funny if once I get close to 5K, I do a fundraiser for a firm. Now, of course, this firm's going to cost a lot of money, and then I show up with the firm. That would be funny. I would never do it though. That firm would have to cost that fundraiser would have to be a lot of money, because nobody's ever really seen me with my hair down, let alone perm. I have had my hair straightened once. Been married a few times, and my first ex, she going to beauty school, cosmetology, whatever you call it, and she's, Joe, let me straighten your hair. And it's like, I don't know about this. And she goes and she straightens my hair. Man, it looked crazy because I have curly hair. It looked crazy, like I was straight up 100% Cherokee Indian. It looked crazy. It was wild. Here, yeah, I put a few eggs in there. Here, thank you. Let's see here. I'll hold you a fiver. There you go. Let's see here. Ooh, sauteed onions. Never done that. And corn. Very nice. Here. Nice move, Joe. Best way to handle that. Handle what? What happened? What was I talking about? I don't remember. Oh, the female. Yeah. See, Kelly says, are you Native American? Kind of. Let's see here. But yeah, it was, man, these two guys were literally, and it's like, hey, what's up? You ready? He's like, yeah. Okay. So here, unspoken rule, you got to look out for the signal. Yeah. Yeah, $9 a dozen here too. Insane. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah. Wing twice if you need help. That's funny. And man, it's so sad. And I laugh at it too. Like, man, how desperate do you guys gotta be? Like, you guys are freaking desperate. Waiting for for closing time. Like, who? Oh, she's drunk. Let me go talk to her. I was like, man, it's sad. It's like, I literally laugh at that stuff. It's sad. Jay Valley says, eggs about $7. See here. See, why aren't we on the chickens? They're egg factories. One chicken lays about 1 egg a day. Yeah. Crazy expensive. See, I'm waiting, and Bitcoin is starting to dump. Ooh. Sure enough, here's where I entered. Let me see here. Bitcoin long. I'm gonna close out my long, the 30x long. I can reopen it later. So I lost 50 cents. Not bad. Oh, did my other one close? Sonic? Am I in Sonic? I'm in Sonic. Oh, my gel one. Ah, man. Dang it. This is the one that was gonna make me a lot of money. Dang it. I think I lost $1 on this one. What am I at? At 10, 20, 30, and back at 35. So 10, 20, 30. Dang it, 35 again. Oh, well. What I need to do is I need to do just regular trades. Just regular small, safer trades. See here. You would look gorgeous, Joe. It would look gorgeous on you. That's funny. Native American? Possible. Possible. I'm pretty sure. Alaska Native. Nice. Stage name, Josephina. Yes. And now welcome to the stage, Josephina. The main stage. Get dreadlocks, no thanks. Sonic is still running. Yeah, I couldn't find the Sonic you're on though. Unless it's this Sonic, but I doubt it. And this one I only have a little bit of money in it too. That's funny. That is funny. Let's see here. Ooh, we've been streaming for a long time, 2 hours already. So I think we're gonna call it a night. I do thank you guys very much. Tomorrow, I don't know sure if I'll go live tomorrow at 12 a.m. At 5 p.m. Eastern time for sure. 12 a.m. We'll see. But I do thank you guys very much for showing up today. You guys are the best. We'll see you on the next one. Until then, let's make this money. Take care, guys. And setting appointment. Alexa, set alert for perm appointment. Schedule perm appointment. Alexa told me no. All right, guys. We'll see y'all later. Take care.